Are you a fan of KitKat chocolate bars? Have you ever wondered how this delicious treat is made? Today we're going to take you behind the scenes and show you how KitKat is produced in factories. From the selection of high-quality ingredients to the specialized machinery and quality control measures, you'll get an inside look at the fascinating process of making KitKat chocolate bars. So, grab a snack and join us as we explore how it's made, KitKat in factories. Before the delicious KitKat chocolate bars can be made, the first step is to gather the high-quality ingredients that go into the recipe. These ingredients include cocoa beans, milk, sugar, and other flavorings that give KitKat its signature taste. At the factory, the ingredients are carefully sourced and prepared to ensure that they meet the strict standards of quality and freshness required for KitKat production. The cocoa beans are roasted, ground, and mixed with milk to create a smooth chocolate paste. Sugar and other flavorings are added to give the chocolate its unique taste and aroma. Quality control is a critical aspect of the ingredient selection process, with trained professionals carefully testing and evaluating each batch to ensure that it meets the exacting standards set by the company. Only the best ingredients are used, as even the smallest variation can significantly impact the final product's quality. Once the ingredients are prepared, they are transported to the mixing and molding stage, where they are transformed into the chocolate and wafer layers that make up a KitKat bar. The use of high-quality ingredients and rigorous quality control measures ensures that every KitKat chocolate bar is not only delicious, but also consistent in taste and texture, no matter where in the world it is made. After the high-quality ingredients are carefully sourced and prepared, it's time to mix and mold them into the iconic KitKat chocolate bars we all know and love. The mixing and molding process is a complex one that requires specialized machinery and equipment to achieve the perfect balance of chocolate and wafer layers. The chocolate mixture is first poured into a long tray and spread evenly to create a thin layer. The wafer mixture is then poured on top of the chocolate layer, and the entire mixture is rolled out and flattened to the desired thickness. The chocolate and wafer layers are then cut into long, thin strips. Next, the strips are layered on top of each other to create the classic KitKat shape, with the chocolate acting as a glue to hold the wafer layers together. The KitKat bars are then cut into individual pieces and transported to the cooling and packaging stage. The mixing and molding process requires a high degree of precision and consistency to ensure that each KitKat bar has the same taste and texture as the next. This is achieved through the use of specialized machinery and equipment that carefully measure and control the temperature, humidity, and other factors that can impact the final product. In addition to the mixing and molding machinery, there are also specialized molds used to shape the chocolate bars. These molds can be customized to create different shapes and sizes, allowing the factory to produce a wide range of KitKat products to meet customer demand. One interesting fact about the KitKat molding process is that the company uses a unique snap feature that makes it easy to break the chocolate bars into individual pieces. This feature was introduced in the 1930s and has become a defining characteristic of the KitKat brand. The mixing and molding process is not only crucial for creating the perfect KitKat bar, but it is also an impressive feat of engineering and technology. The machinery and equipment used in this stage of production are designed to work seamlessly together to create a product that is not only delicious, but also visually appealing and easy to consume. Overall, the mixing and molding stage of KitKat production is a fascinating process that combines the art and science of chocolate making to create one of the world's most beloved chocolate bars. Once the KitKat bars have been mixed and molded into the perfect shape, it's time for them to be cooled and packaged. This stage of production is critical for ensuring that the chocolate bars are fresh and ready to be shipped to stores around the world. The cooling process is a delicate one that requires careful temperature control to prevent the chocolate from melting or becoming too hard. The bars are placed on conveyor belts and transported through a series of temperature-controlled chambers, where they are gradually cooled to the perfect temperature.
Once the bars have been cooled, they are ready to be wrapped in foil and packaging. This is done using specialized machinery that carefully wraps each individual bar in a thin layer of foil to protect it from moisture and other environmental factors that can affect its quality. After the bars have been wrapped in foil, they are placed in their final packaging. This can include a variety of options, such as individual wrappers, multi-packs, and larger bags. The packaging is designed to keep the chocolate bars fresh and to make them easy to transport and store. Quality control is an essential aspect of the cooling and packaging stage, with factory workers carefully inspecting each bar to ensure that it meets the company's strict standards. Any bars that do not meet these standards are removed from the production line and discarded. One interesting fact about the packaging stage of KitKat production is that the company uses sustainable packaging materials to reduce its environmental impact. This includes using recycled materials and minimizing the amount of packaging used wherever possible. Overall, the cooling and packaging stage of KitKat production is a critical aspect of the process that ensures the chocolate bars are fresh and ready to be enjoyed by consumers around the world. The use of specialized machinery, temperature control, and sustainable packaging materials highlights the company's commitment to quality and environmental responsibility. Quality control and inspection are essential aspects of KitKat production that ensure that each bar meets the exacting standards set by the company. The process starts with the selection of high-quality ingredients and continues throughout each stage of production, from mixing and molding to cooling and packaging. The factory workers are trained to perform regular quality control checks to ensure that the chocolate bars are consistent in taste, texture, and appearance. This includes testing the ingredients before they are mixed, monitoring the temperature and humidity levels during the mixing and molding process, and inspecting the bars for defects or irregularities during the cooling and packaging stage. The company also uses specialized equipment to detect any issues that may not be visible to the naked eye. For example, X-ray machines are used to detect any foreign objects that may have accidentally made their way into the production process. In addition to regular quality control checks, the company also performs extensive testing on each batch of KitKat bars. This includes taste testing by trained professionals who evaluate each bar for its flavor, texture, and aroma. Any bars that do not meet the company's strict standards are removed from the production line and discarded. This ensures that only the highest quality KitKat bars make their way to store shelves around the world. Quality control and inspection are critical aspects of KitKat production that ensure that every bar is not only delicious, but also consistent in taste and texture. The company's commitment to quality is reflected in every stage of the production process, from ingredient selection to final packaging. This dedication to quality has helped KitKat become one of the world's most beloved chocolate brands. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how KitKat chocolate bars are made in factories. From the careful selection of high-quality ingredients to the specialized machinery and equipment used in the mixing, molding, cooling, and packaging stages, every step in the process is crucial to creating the perfect KitKat bar. The company's dedication to quality control and sustainability ensures that every bar meets the highest standards of taste, texture, and appearance. Next time you bite into a KitKat bar, you can appreciate the art and science that went into creating this iconic chocolate treat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own favorite KitKat memories or experiences in the comments section below.